Decreasing by purling 2 stitches together, abbreviated to P2 tog, is a method of decreasing that involves working 2 stitches together as if they're just 1 stitch. So insert the right hand needle down through the first 2 stitches on the left hand needle, bring the yarn around and pull the yarn through those 2 stitches and slide both of them off the left hand needle together. And there we have created 1 stitch where there were 2. Let's do that again. Go down through the first 2 stitches on the left hand needle, bring the yarn around, pull it through the 2 stitches, slide them both off together, and there you have decreased and you've got 1 stitch where there were 2. Let's do that again. Down and to the front of the first 2 stitches, around the needle, pull it through and slide it off. And again, down and to the front, pull it through and slide it off. And there we have it. Although I've worked 8 stitches, I've decreased and I now just have 4 stitches. Decreasing in this way creates a left-leaning decrease in reverse stocking stitch. On the other side, it looks exactly the same as if I had done knit 2 together on the right side of stocking stitch. It creates a right-leaning decrease.